Removes plaque and whiten your teeth in 15 minutes with this recipe. Keeping your teeth clean and healthy is an essential part of proper oral hygiene. Although many people don't think so, the teeth are essential for proper overall health. Everything we put in our mouth is attacking our teeth, and bacteria can multiply incredibly fast on our teeth, attacking them at an alarming rate, which is often the main cause of tooth decay. Besides bacteria, dental plaque is another big problem for our teeth. Removing dental plaque can be done only at a dentist, but this is an expensive and time-consuming process, which is why everyone hopes for a simpler solution. Luckily, it exists. We're going to show you how to eliminate the plaque on your teeth with the help of baking soda. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of baking soda, half a cup of cold and warm water each, half a teaspoon of salty water, half a cup of mineral water, half a cup of hydrogen peroxide, mouthwash, antiseptic, dental floss, toothbrush. Instructions: mix the baking soda and salt first, dip your toothbrush in warm water and then in the mixture. Now, rub your teeth gently and spit the mixture out, then mix the hydrogen peroxide and warm water and swish the mixture in your mouth. Spit the mixture out in the end and rinse your mouth with cold water. Now it's time to scrub the plaque. Take the dental floss and rub your teeth gently with it, then rinse with the antiseptic mouthwash and you're done. Repeat the process every couple of days for best results. In order to make your smile pearly white, you can rub strawberries and tomatoes on your teeth. Vitamin C rich foods in general can dissolve the plaque and make it easier for removal. Rub a bit of lemon, strawberry or orange for 5 minutes on your teeth, then rinse your mouth with a bit of baking soda and water to neutralize the acids in your mouth. You should also include Swiss cheese or cheddar in your diet to prevent the accumulation of plaque on your teeth. Spicy foods can help as well. They stimulate the production of saliva in your mouth, which will keep it clean. Brush vertically and pay special attention to the spaces between your teeth, and use dental floss regularly to keep your teeth in optimal shape. Instead of using commercial mouthwash, you can rub some orange peel on your teeth to kill the bacteria in the oral cavity and achieve that Hollywood smile.